Hey guys, Digital Dave here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you a Monoprice. This is a USB 2.0 extension cable. This is 15 feet. Why I'm excited is I got a beautiful new to me. Picked up a used Blue Yeti Blackout Edition, so I will be upgrading my audio from here on out. I was just waiting on this cable to be able to plug it in to reach my computer. So really excited about that. Stay tuned. Channel improvements always continuing behind the scenes. Took your feedback. Got a new microphone. Hopefully that'll help. I'm currently just using my webcam's microphone. So I needed this to reach my computer. So if you're looking for USB extension cables, go ahead. Check this one out. The link's in my video description below. I'll go ahead and I'll put the link to this microphone too if you're checking them out. They are so sweet. The Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. Any of their microphones are really top notch. So I'll put that in the link too. But here is what this video is about. The Monoprice USB 2.0 male to female extension cable. So this is how it comes packaged to you from Amazon. We'll go ahead now and open it up. Here it is right out of the box. Pretty straightforward. You got your male end here and your female end here. Here's where I need to plug this in, so we'll go ahead and just see how the connection is. And it works perfect. Great. This end will plug now into the computer. Again, it's 15 feet long. So really excited about this cable. Really a great price on Amazon, and I also was able in my area, I had 1-day shipping as an option for free since I'm a Prime member. So that was really cool. Can't beat it. Cheaper than in stores. Go ahead, check it out. Brand Monoprice, won't break your budget. Seems like a very solid cable. Can't tell difference quality-wise from this USB cable from my nice, expensive microphone. So looks really cool. Got 15 feet to use and stretch it out. So really awesome. Really excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for some better audio in the future for my videos going forward. And hit that sub button if you haven't. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.